Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the most honest, detailed, and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Makita XLC02ZW 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion compact cordless vacuum. This cordless vacuum promises to offer a blend of power, portability, and convenience. Let's see how it holds up under real-world conditions. The Makita XLC02ZW is designed with the professional in mind, but it's also a solid choice for anyone who values portability and performance in their cleaning tools. It's part of the 18-volt LXT system, meaning it runs on the same battery platform that powers a wide range of Makita tools. Although the battery is sold separately, it provides up to 33 minutes of continuous cleaning from a fully charged 18-volt 5.0 Ah LXT battery, which is quite impressive for a compact vacuum. It's an ideal option for quick cleanups around the house or workshop, especially when you don't want to drag around a bulky vacuum. The redesigned floor nozzle is one of the key highlights, offering better maneuverability and improved debris collection, making it easier to clean around furniture and into tight spaces. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, or even cleaning up debris in your car, the vacuum's suction power delivers solid results. The two-stage cloth filtration system is another feature that sets it apart, giving you a cleaner experience while making maintenance easier. It's bagless, which means no dealing with costly replacements, and debris disposal is a breeze. The compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even during longer cleaning sessions, and the whole unit feels light in hand. On the usability front, this vacuum is particularly well-suited for smaller spaces. Its lightweight and compact nature make it easy to store, and the lack of a bulky cord means you won't have to worry about tripping or limited reach. But with that portability comes a smaller bin capacity, so you may find yourself emptying it a bit more often than you would with larger models. The floor nozzle is great for cleaning hard floors and low-pile rugs, though it's not as effective at deep cleaning high-pile carpets. If you're looking for a vacuum to handle tough pet hair or heavy-duty carpet cleaning, this might not be the right choice. Real-world testing shows that the Makita XLC02ZW performs well in quick cleanup tasks and light-duty use. The battery life is impressive, delivering nearly 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. It's perfect for cleaning up dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors or in low-traffic areas. The suction power is good, but it does start to lose effectiveness when used on thick carpet or larger messes. The two-stage filtration system works as advertised, trapping fine dust and allergens, which makes it a good option for those who are sensitive to air quality. The noise levels are reasonable for a cordless vacuum, with a soft hum that won't disrupt your day-to-day activities. When it comes to ease of use, the Makita XLC02ZW is a dream. It's incredibly lightweight, which reduces hand fatigue, and its compact design makes it easy to store without taking up much space. The floor nozzle works well on both hard floors and rugs, though you might need to use it more frequently on thicker carpeting. The attachments are decent, but there aren't as many as you might find on other vacuums. So if you're looking for versatility in cleaning surfaces like upholstery or stairs, this might not meet all of your needs. On the plus side, the vacuum is very maneuverable, which makes cleaning tight corners and edges a lot easier. There are definitely some pros to this vacuum. The Makita XLC02ZW offers great portability, and its battery life is a major plus, especially if you're tired of dealing with cords. It's also built well and feels sturdy, with an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The two-stage filtration system is effective at keeping the air cleaner while you clean. The suction power is strong enough for quick, everyday messes, and the redesigned nozzle makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, this vacuum might not be powerful enough for larger homes or people with high-pile carpets. While it's great for light cleaning tasks, it struggles with embedded dirt or heavy-duty debris on thicker surfaces. The bin capacity is on the smaller side, meaning you'll need to empty it frequently, and it's not the best option for those who want to clean large areas in one go. Another downside is the lack of attachments. If you're looking for something with a range of tools for cleaning upholstery, stairs, or your car, you might want to look elsewhere. Additionally, since the battery is sold separately, the overall cost can rise if you don't already own a compatible 18-volt LXT battery. When we think about value for money, the Makita XLC02ZW is priced competitively for what it offers, but it's best suited for users who need a lightweight, portable vacuum for quick cleanups or smaller spaces. It performs well in terms of suction power for light debris and has solid build quality, making it a good choice for daily maintenance. If you're primarily cleaning hardwood floors or low-pile carpets, this vacuum provides good value. But if you're after something to handle heavy-duty messes or larger spaces, there are other models that might be a better fit. For example, models like the Dyson V8 or Shark Ion Flex offer more versatile cleaning options and stronger suction for a slightly higher price, though they come with the trade-off of increased weight and bulk. In terms of build quality, the Makita XLC02ZW feels sturdy, with a solid plastic body and well-built components. It doesn't feel flimsy, and the nozzle design makes it easy to reach corners and hard-to-access areas. The brush roll is easy to clean, but you'll need to stay on top of it to avoid hair tangles, especially if you have long hair or pets. Maintenance is simple with the bagless design, and cleaning the filters is straightforward, which adds to the overall user-friendly experience. Customer support from Makita is known to be responsive, and with a warranty backing the product, you should feel confident in its reliability. While there's no specific data on long-term performance, given Makita's reputation in the power tool industry, it's reasonable to expect that this vacuum will hold up well with proper care and maintenance. To wrap up, the Makita XLC02ZW is a solid choice for those looking for a lightweight, compact, and efficient vacuum for quick cleanups. It's great for small homes, apartments, or office spaces, especially if you need something convenient for light debris and quick tasks. However, it might fall short for larger homes or those with thick carpeting and heavy-duty cleaning needs. The lack of attachments and a small bin capacity might be deal breakers for some, but if you're looking for a simple, cordless vacuum that performs well for everyday messes, this one's worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Makita XLC02ZW or have any questions, drop a comment below. We'll see you next time with more honest, detailed reviews here on Reviews Inside TV.